Hello everyone. Today I'm talking about user interface Revit MEP 2020 class 2. So in class 1 we have look overview of this user interface. In class 2 we will go in detail for user interface. Before start I would like to request you, please, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it, so that will help me, that will give me motivation, so I will make some new videos for you. So just let's start. So guys, this is Revit 2020, and we will go in detail for this user interface Revit 2020. On the last time I marked on PDF that overview. So in the above, in the top side, there is quick access toolbar. So in Revit, just we will go that here is the quick access toolbar. So in the first point there is home. Just we click on home, so it will come on the home window of Revit recent files. So you see here that in the we can go from main file to recent files, or we can open new files, we can open sample project, and here you see that models, families, recent files, and here recent file, model, families, and again just click on above home or control D, you will go on that main file. First tab, just we have gone through that first tab. Now in the second tab is open. Click on this open, either control A, and you can open any of the project file from the server, or you have saved any on your desktop. So we can open this file through this open tool. And third one is save. We can save the file, just press here save or either control S, and after here is synchronize and synchronize tab. Through this tab we can sync our model, central model, we can sync this through model. And these are the undo tab, control Z, we can press control Z, it will be undo. And this redo, this is control shift Z, and we can redo this one. And third one is print command, control P, we can go through control P. And here is dimensions, measure tools, the tag, tags, this 3D views, sections, thin lines. And guys, you see here there is shortcut commands also that shown, thin line TL, and series switch window. And if we click here, you can switch on or switch off your quick access tool. Just I click here new, you see here is new tab. And also we can this hide this one. Just click here, and let's suppose I want to switch off this undo. So this, you see here is switch off, undo is switch off. Like that we can customize this our quick access toolbar. And here is show below the ribbon. If we this quick access toolbar we want to show below the ribbon, just click here and it will come in the below the ribbons. And again just I click, I want to show above, just click above that in the ribbons. So we have gone through the quick access toolbar. Now that we come on the ribbon tabs. Guys, these are the ribbon tabs. These all are the ribbon tabs. Architecture, structure, steel, systems. These all are the ribbon tabs. And below, these are the tools. Wall, doors, window, component. These all are the tools. If I want to this wall on the above quick access toolbar, just right click and click here add to quick access toolbar. And you see here that here is wall is added. And